You don't do tests. Good. Your choice. We don't test only with robots. I know that your test will be fragile. I know by design that you will have a lot of tickets. And I start to see if the forecast of this predictable behavior are leading me to observe an outcome in a map, in a sort of heat map that is showing me how much dysfunctional is the way of working in your team. And after I have lit and unlit all the good behavior and the dysfunctional behavior, I can exactly tell you how the team is working now and which kind of problems they are facing. Beyond the inability to deliver, beyond the attrition rate and all the typical management indicators that a lot of companies they have in place. And more importantly, I know where I can move them in 6 months. So I know how to fix it. So as you see, the KPI is not only measuring things like test coverage, code review participation, how many refactoring do you are doing, how much refinement the team is doing, how many deploys you have done in the latest 3 sprints, all these kind of DORA-oriented indicators. But I go 3 miles ahead. I measure all the patterns on human side for collaboration, internal and external at your team, in your organization and external of your organization with the customer. And I start to map them in a way that I have a safety net to tell you your team have this kind of practices, let's say green belt, for instance, but they lack completely the foundation. And so I know that I need to move them back to the white belt and then moving them for every milestone white belt, doing the graduation, showing them how the test-driven development, the focus management, and all the foundation at white belt can move them slowly to their green belt, the way of working when I found them on the field, in a way that is safe, in a way that the green belt is really earned, because they will get over time all the exposure, all the practice, all the confidence, all the safe failures in the dojo to work really as a green belt. And in this process, I will move them from white to yellow to orange to green with a graduation test to consolidate their level of upskilling, their confidence, to gamify it with certificates and belt stickers, simulating them in a real dojo, tying up the new belt. And all this is creating real transformation baked by data that can show you the incongruencies that we had on the field at the beginning and what is evolved after 6 months, 9 months, 1 year.